Thanks for everything, man. Thanks for everything. Yeah, the first move toward me getting my youth them still, because I have a place. I have a place to put them. The first move I have to get my house built up. And then the house, my house, not my baby mother house, my place. I have my little cousin them in it right now, so I don't really want to invade them space. Understand? If them want, as I said, I just line out how more move towards getting them back, because I can't go the CPFSA or CPFSA and tell them, say, me and them father, so I can't get them back. I have to prove how I can maintain them and house for me, I'll keep them and whatever. You understand? So I stay in a Rosealee or in my baby mother house. I can't stay in my baby mother house and get them back.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing's set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. The minute upon the beat and you can't see upon the screen. Rosealee baby daddy finally breaks silence and take to social media. Not to get gifts and lions, but to tell fame side of the story. You know, with CPFSA, all of these things, Akeem, and being evicted out of the house. So let's like and share the video from now on. Let's go straight into it, you see me?
Thanks for everything, man. Thanks for everything. Yeah, the first move toward me getting my youth them still, because I have a place. I have a place to put them. The first move I have to get my house built up. And then the house, my house, not my baby mother house, my place. I have my little cousin them in it right now, so I don't really want to invade them space. You understand? Because them are young 20 odd years, young 20s, them are doing little things, so I don't want to invade them. Thanks for that. What do you respect for that? I don't really want to invade them space, so when I want to do a build out the yard, because the yard can build out. But even up on top, the yard still not build out, so I want to build out the yard. Or I can have a room for them, so I can show the code say I have space to put them, and I can maintain them. You understand? So that's the main aim for me right now. See?
Jakes, do you feel like you want to answer no question from no one? Because they've been sending friend requests. I don't know if you want to answer any question, so I don't accept nobody to come up in the box. Do you want to ask anybody any question or just leave it be?
Kelly, the questions what I'm asking me right now about Rosealee this and Rosealee that. I'm not depend that right now. I want my baby them. You understand? If them want, as I said, I just line out how more move towards getting them back, because I can't go the CPFSA or CPFSA and tell them, say, me and them father, so I can't get them back. I have to prove how I can maintain them and house for me, I'll keep them and whatever. You understand? So I stay in a Rosealee or in my baby mother house. I can't stay in my baby mother house and get them back. You understand? Because baseline is like the man trying to say Rosealee is unfit to get by the children. So it means they're also the same with Rosealee. Them nothing they want to give me them back. You understand? So if I can somewhere get my house built up, you know, I can have them own a room. Not a problem for look work because I'm not afraid for work. You understand? Can get good work too. You know this.
Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. I know say very educated. I know that for sure.
And my work them not hard.
Okay.
See, so I just desperate times now more I'm a baby them. I just that.
Mini,
Yeah.
Mini, Jakes,
Yeah.
Mini, Jakes. Me understand say you want build up your house, but that will take too long, Jakes.
No,
That's
man.
gonna take too long. No, me say like you want something where you can go get them back. You can when the people them come, you can show them. Say and Jakes, you need to click your own live. You need to click your own live so the people them. You need to click a live so the people them can send the gifts to you directly. You have a cash app because the people them want to know if you have a cash app. Or you have somebody cash app where you can use where you trust.
Yeah,
Or,
man. Me can get that, yes.
yeah, you need that now. Click your own live. Click your own live. Click your
You're
live
supposed to
and
get.
click your live and co-host. Click your own live. It's like we go live just now. Click your own live.
Alright.
Click your own live and Jakes, you need something so you can get like a something for rent because you want something so by the 30th when you go back a court or whatever you have something to show. When you me understand say you want to build up something but you need something right now. You understand? Where you can
Yeah,
show say like a 2-bedroom where you can show so you have suitable accommodations. Click your own live. And get a cash app and a PayPal, but please make sure say as somebody where you can trust to get your money. Because right now people upon my live are ask for the cash app or PayPal so you can get it. So make sure it's as somebody where you can trust to get your money. Click your own live. So the people them know your page now, so click your own live. Just go live on your page. So anything come to you, it come to your page. All right, Millie. Minnie.
All right, thank you. All right. So you might go live.
Yeah, and you know, sir, he went live again by himself. We're going to see that at the end of the video. But let me just play Rosealee part because she's saying she's not getting no justice from man and the government. You see, man?
Some of them run about, I should have care about our youth them. I should come in and come tell you no. Come in now, come tell you no. Government business. When you go ask the government about them business. Come in now, come tell you. When I'm now come tell you say government business. If me even that got therapy, me not tell you no. And that may make someone know. If me even that got therapy, me not tell you no. Me not tell you no government business. Leave me alone. Leave the people them. No. Because I not stop chatting. You know. I not stop chat. I not stop chat. So I'm sub you so. Come here, I don't really get off, you know. I not stop chat. Right? Sub chat only. Come type. No. I see all right now, Vanny. Today is Sunday and I'm not going to argue with you. I'm going to tell you this. Be like, come see two little clippings. If the gentleman says series done it finish, what that have to do with me? I want to ask a question. If the gentleman decides that the series this is too much for him and I want to end the series and have nothing to do with me. But upon TikTok long time, but I was surviving. I was surviving before the series. With the series, I'm sure damn no me can survive after the series. Make rice one. Firm up yourself. Come for your life. Make your money. You have your youth to take care of. You never remember that? Right now, all? You never remember that? Remember that, man. Security and K fall out. Remember that? They're not going to overblinger and Nurse Brown sent about five lions and you are hurting so bad. And the man left for your gifter. The man left for one Insta seller, one post. You never remember Mackerel you must run out. You run out. I remember when you did that your situation, I who did have your back. And she class with your class now I want them too. That is not the point. You don't like me long time because the real true story is a uno bad mind me. Because uno have name before me and them still not make no sense. A uno bad mind me. I'm gonna know no family way. Lego the blows, Lego the blows. I'm back at work. You still have bills to pay. What me for do? Lie down in a depression. When we come so long and ball to someone who know. Come so long and ball to someone who don't even like me, you know, that's why you're my business. You never know the real true business, go. I'm not going to tell you no it. So when the world owner come talk about, oh, and she man crazy, and she this and she that. Remember, say when the nigga come on my yard, the day is not me send call him, come here in a box. Me never send come call him. Him come because him care. Me never send call him, me never text him, me never WhatsApp him. Him block me. He blocks me. Okay? Okay.
Because I know how it feels for them at them place there, you know. And when I 13, I get locked up at that Stone Hill Juvenile Center, you know. First, I got locked up, I got jail. At 13-year-old, I got Huntsby jail. You see, leave from Huntsby, I got Stone Hill. So I know them place if you have to left from out of your bed with your family, them gonna live on. Be a stranger, brother. You see, well, it not change because them tell me them separate them boy over here and girl over there. So same thing in my time. You understand? I lock up with some man, I get charged with murder, robbery. Juvenile, you know, because all of we are juvenile, and we don't reach 18 yet, you know. Because you can't 20 and then at Stone Hill Juvenile Center, it's a juvenile center. And I talk about juvenile, we get charged with murder and robbery and gun and beat things. You understand? I left from my house with my grandmother and my uncle, them, and I'm comfortable with, and they're like, no nice, brother. It's not nice, bro. You hear that?
Sad case, Rosealee. Go save your family, yeah? Don't listen to these strangers out the road because Akeem don't want you. And your baby daddy soon for find new love out here because a lot of people is gifting him now. Listen, man, I say. But we're just giving them a quick update while going for them to go on. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest stuff. Bless.